If you want to see who's logged in to your Instagram account, then just go to Instagram app on your phone, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then tap on the three-line button in the top right and select Settings and Privacy. Under that, tap on Account Center and then go to Password and Security, and then tap on where you're logged in. Now you're gonna have to choose Instagram here because we want to see where your Instagram account is logged in. And so here you should see the account login activity. Now this is your current device. All other devices are gonna be listed here. Now as you can see, a Galaxy S23 Ultra was logged in from New York on February 14th, 8:04 p.m. So you can use the device, location, and time to try and pinpoint who exactly that could have been that logged in to your Instagram account. And you can do that for all these devices. When you see something suspicious or something, or maybe an account login that you don't quite know where it's from, or maybe you logged into another device and forgot to log out, then you can always remotely log out. All right. That's basically how to see who is logged in to your Instagram account. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.